Saturday, March 23rd. Today is a brand new day, a day that we will never, ever see again. I want to give the Lord thanks for waking me up this morning, clothing me in my right mind, all my faculties working, a little pain here and there, but at least I am amongst the living and not amongst the dead. Welcome back to all of you, my subscribers. This is the Glades Garden Girl over here in Zone 10A, Florida. So normally back home in Jamaica, on Saturdays we would be cooking up a storm, especially soup. I love chicken back soup. No matter what other meat you put in there, if chicken back is not in my soup, that soup is not talking to me at all. Today I want to make a vegetable soup. No chicken back. Only veggies that I will be harvesting from the garden, and some I have already harvested. I just got these kale, and I am heading over now to get some Irish potatoes. Wait. I was recently in this area and I saw some Irish potatoes. I'm standing in front of my potato patch that I planted on January 25th. And look what I saw, guys. Look here. I saw these little things popping up out of the soil. Oh gosh, I am not sure if it is time to harvest these as yet, but I know that I was planning to add some more soil down in here and I didn't get the chance to add it. So I'm wondering if the potatoes, if they are that tiny, all of them. So this is another one that is still attached to the roots. But guys, I did not add any more soil. Oh my gosh, I can't believe it. Oh Lord. Oh Lord, have mercy. I would be so mad with myself if it is time to harvest and... Oh! Oh, I'm gonna take back my words. Can you all see that? Can you all see it? It's right here. Guys, look. I need to adjust the camera. Look here, 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 look here. I can see potato. I'm covering it, I'm covering it. Oh Lord. Oh Lord. Oh Lord have mercy. I can see potatoes. Guys, honestly, I am not going to harvest them now. I think I am just going to go ahead and add some more soil down in here. Jesus! I can see potatoes. I can see potatoes. Irish potatoes. Yeah. Oh God, look at this one. This one is already on top of the soil, but I'm not going to detach it from the plant. Oh my goodness gracious. Oh my goodness gracious. Oh gosh, I'm so excited right now. I am so excited. So excited right now. Oh, it's a little baby boy. Look here. Oh God, go back down in there. I'm sorry I disturbed you. Yes, but I told myself that I was going to add some more soil in here to see if I could actually get some more, but unfortunately I didn't get the chance to. But when I came out this morning, I could see some Irish potatoes blushing through the soil. So I will be harvesting them now. Let's see what I will be getting from this Irish potato patch. All right, that's my basket right here. So we're starting right here. I think I should use my hand because I don't want to damage anything. All right. Oh gosh. And you know, it looks like I would have gotten more Irish potato, you know, guys, but I did not put a lot of soil in here. I should have added some more soil. So what I might do, I might just probably get a few today, add some more soil and wait to see if I could actually get another harvest. Well, let's see what I can get now. Okay, there's actually more than what I think down in here. A lot of small ones. Oh Lord, it looks as if I am digging up this area too soon. Oh. Yeah, I might be digging up this area too soon. Oh Lord. But with all of those ones blushing, I thought this area was jam-packed. Okay. There are some small ones still there. There are still some baby ones on the roads here. I wonder if I tuck them back in here, if they would actually get bigger. Let's try. That's an experiment. All right, so the ones that are blushing, I think, okay now. All right. Now you're talking to me, baby. So let me get these kale out so y'all can see what I'm getting in there. Let me tilt the basket to showcase the ones that I have gotten before. Well, it's not really important. I'll show you two when I'm done. It's kind of hard though getting over in this area. Alright guys, I am not going to be greedy. This area doesn't look like it has the potential of the Irish potatoes getting bigger. This is more than enough for me to cook some soup. So I am just going to grab a few more that I see blushing over here. Let's see if I can get you in on this. I see one here. Not one, this is actually two. I see one under here. Is there any more? One here. There might be more under here. Oh gosh. Okay. I think they were not 100% ready. But as I said, I am going to satisfy with that what I have. Look at these. Yeah. So I might just throw some more soil in there, guys. Okay. So I'm taking this to the pipe. So I'm now getting some thyme, because without scallion and thyme in our soup, that flavor is not singing or ringing or binging or blinging. Yes. So when you add the Maggie cock soup or the chicken noodle soup, we add a lot of thyme and green onions. Let me go over here to get some. Grabbing some green onions. And all of this right here started from store-bought green onions. Because starting it from seeds, oh brother, can be a challenge. Scallion and thyme. I should be able to find a Scotch bonnet pepper somewhere in my refrigerator. And you know what I'm grabbing as well? Some basil. So if you haven't tried the basil leaves in your soup yet, it gives it a very nice flavor. All right. What else do I have? I could grab some callaloo leaves, but I am not so sure about it. Or maybe some cilantro. Let's see. All right. I think I'm going to grab some cilantro, guys.